friends, welcome to Kidsa's Circle Time. So, for the children who is watching our video for the first time, I am Miss Janhavi and this is our friend Viva. Circle Time. Before beginning, let's do the prayer. Shall we start?
Yes.
To do prayer, what are we supposed to do?
Join your hands and close your eyes.
Yes.
Asatoma
Sadgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amrutangamaya. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Yes. One more time. Welcome to the circle time. So, what day is today, Viva? Today is Tuesday. So, before doing the calendar activity, let's sing Days of the Week song one time. So, to do the Days of the Week song, what do we need? We need a
pointer.
my musical
Pointer.
Viva is going to show it.
There's Sunday
and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then there's Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. How many days are there in a week?
7 days in a week.
Yes, and today is Tuesday. Tuesday. If today is Tuesday, what will be? What was yesterday? If today was Tuesday, yesterday was Monday.
Monday.
If yesterday was Monday, today is Tuesday, what will be tomorrow? Tomorrow will be Wednesday. Wednesday. Yes. The special song is dedicated to those children who are celebrating their birthday this week. So let's start. Happy birthday to you.
Cha-cha-cha.
Happy birthday to you.
Cha-cha-cha.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Cha-cha-cha. Yes. So, shall we say hi to our friends one more time? Yes. We say hi with a song.
Yes.
Shall we begin?
Yes.
Hello, hello, how are you? Hello, hello, how are you? How are you today? Hello to is wearing purple. Hello to is wearing green. Hello to is wearing yellow. How are you today? Hello to is wearing blue. Hello to is wearing red. Hello to is wearing white. How are you today? Hello to is wearing gray. Hello to is wearing orange. Hello to is wearing pink. How are you today? Yes, children. Now it's activity time. I know you're all waiting for the activity. So, what activity shall we do it today? Yes, dragon activity. Let's have some fun. Shall we begin?
Yes.
So what is the activity we are doing? Dragon activity. activity. So to do this activity, we need a cardboard. Green will be preferable. And color paper. That's been cut like this. And the glue. And a color sketch pen. Okay, to start, glue this color paper to this edges. Turn the paper like this and glue it. Put the line. Now, the fun activity, grass motor exercises. Putting skittles from one basket to another. Ask the child to put the skittles one by one. You can also ask the child to choose the colors one by one.
Two hands. Use two hands.
This will kill the child's boredom and improve the eye-hand coordination.
Kidza online homeschool program. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Preschool at Kidza.